I purchased this coin from an online auction eBay. Upon unpacking the parcel, I discovered that the coin was heavily oxidized and in dire need of cleaning. Let's begin the cleaning process. I use simple tools for this task, a bamboo toothpick and a toothbrush. These basic items are effective for gently removing dirt and oxidation from the surface of the coin. For a complete video on the full cycle of cleaning and restoration, I invite you to click the link below. Who knows what kind of coin this is? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel to ensure you don't miss any new videos on the restoration and cleaning of ancient coins and artifacts.